These are called the silver swords. All the silver swords. I mean, they look like swords, but but what's
Self-explanatory.
no no? But what's the history behind them?
Well, right here. Here's the history.
Oh, it's right here. Oh my God! Survival of
They're
the
cold frosted silver gleaming.
Ahinahina.
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 Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Survival of the
Silver.
Ahinahina.
Ahinahina.
Silver sword.
Silver swords.
They have believed to evolve from a California tarweed that arrived here millions of years ago, perhaps hitchhiking on a bird. And the Ahinahina today is an endangered species. Trampling and uprooting are serious threats to the plants. Stand back and stay on the trails.